How to achieve your goals in 2025. A why goal setting matters. Goal setting is more than just writing down what you want to achieve. It's about creating a clear path, developing the right mindset, and taking consistent action. As 2025 approaches, it's the perfect time to reflect, reset, and refocus. In this comprehensive guide, you'll discover practical strategies to set, pursue, and achieve your goals. Before looking ahead, it's crucial to look back. Reflecting on 2024 will give you insights into what worked, what didn't, and what you truly want to prioritize. What were my biggest achievements in 2024? What challenges did I face and how did I overcome them? Which goals did I abandon and why? What lessons did I learn about myself? Take 30 minutes to journal your reflections. This clarity will inform your goals for 2025. 2. Define clear and meaningful goals. Successful goals are SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Example: vague goal, I want to get fit. SMART goal, I will lose 10 pounds by June 1st, 2025 by exercising 4 times a week and following a balanced diet. Tips for goal setting. Set goals in different life areas: health, career, relationships, personal growth, and finances. Prioritize goals that truly excite and motivate you. Avoid setting too many goals. Focus on 3 to 5 major ones. 3. Create an action plan. Goals without a plan are just wishes. Break down each goal into smaller, actionable steps. Example: goal, write a book in 2025 January. Outline the book. February to May, write 1 chapter per week. June, edit the first draft. July, get feedback from beta readers. August, revise and prepare for publication. Pro tip: use project management tools like Notion, Trello, or a simple planner to track progress. 4. Develop the right mindset. Your mindset determines your success. Cultivate a growth mindset, the belief that you can improve with effort. Strategies: practice positive self-talk. Embrace challenges as opportunities to grow. Replace "I can't" with "I can learn how." Surround yourself with supportive, goal-oriented people. 5. Build consistent habits. Habits shape your future. Small daily actions lead to big results. How to build habits: start small. Aim for 10 minutes of exercise, not an hour. Anchor new habits to existing ones. After I brush my teeth, I'll meditate for 5 minutes. Track progress using a habit tracker. Reward yourself for consistency. Book. Recommendation: Atomic Habits by James Clear offers powerful insights into habit formation. 6. Overcome obstacles and stay motivated. Challenges are inevitable. How you respond determines your success. Common obstacles and solutions: lack of time. Prioritize and cut out non-essential activities. Self-doubt. Remind yourself why you started. Procrastination. Use the 2-minute rule. Start a task for just 2 minutes. Burnout. Take regular breaks and practice self-care. Motivation. Tips: visualize success daily. Celebrate small wins. Find an accountability partner. Revisit your why when motivation wanes. 7. Track progress and adjust as needed. Regularly review your goals to stay on track. Weekly check-in. What did I accomplish this week? What challenges did I face? What will I focus on next week? Monthly review. Are my goals still relevant? Do I need to adjust my approach? 8. Celebrate success and reflect on lessons. Every achievement, big or small, deserves recognition. Ways to celebrate: treat yourself to something special. Share your success with loved ones. Reflect on what made the success possible. Reflection. Questions: what worked well? What did I learn about myself? How can I apply these lessons to future goals? Conclusion. Make 2025 your best year. Yet achieving your goals in 2025 requires clarity, commitment, and consistency. By reflecting on the past, setting smart goals, creating action plans, and staying adaptable, you'll turn your dreams into reality. Final tips. Stay patient and persistent. Embrace the journey, not just the outcome. Believe in your ability to succeed. Your turn. What are your top 3 goals for 2025? Write them down, make a plan, and start taking action today.